Hey guys, happy Sunday, December 2nd. This vlog is going up on, I think, Tuesday, because there's a different video in between, but I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. It's Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I just did a photo shoot outside. I'll like show a little bit of what we were doing outside. It's so fun, and I have this really pretty, fun, festive, Christmassy scarf on, and I absolutely adore it. It's so cute, but I am just gonna drive home right now, but I just wanted to get the vlog started. Back from the photo shoot, we're in my room. I got you guys on a tripod. I came home, and there was a huge package on my front porch, which we're gonna open up right now. I'm super excited because it is from PIXI Beauty. They are the first company that I got onto their PR list, so it's just so exciting, and it looks really cool because it's so big, and you open it up, it has this like PIXI glow box in here. So we're gonna open this up. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. So it's just this really big green box. It looks like this. I love the metallic on it. Can you open it up? Oh my goodness. Okay, what do we got in here? So it looks oh my god, you guys. There's a selfie ring light in here for your phone. I've always wanted one of these. This is so cool. Okay, so I guess you just like clip it onto your phone. And press this button and it lights up, and it has like a little charger in here. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. We are going to charge this up right now. Thank you, PIXI. I'm so excited. Okay, how do I do this? There we go. Okay, and then it came with this PIXI glow cake. Oh, I'm like totally ruining this packaging. That is so pretty. And I was just talking about how I love like a fun blush in the winter, and look how beautiful this is. That is just so perfect. I like adding it on top of my bronzer just because it adds that cute little like, oh, it's cold outside look, you know what I mean? So this is so cool. I will have PIXI listed down below along with these two new products. I'm excited to try them out. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to check it out because I post makeup tutorials, like little 1-minute makeup videos on there. And it's so much fun, and I like to show off like the new products over there. So be sure to check that out. But I am just going to start decorating my room soon because I want to decorate it for Christmas. I pulled out all my holiday decorations yesterday. I went to Target. We picked up some new ones. I shared a haul yesterday of all of my holiday decorations. I'll insert a card if you guys want to check it out. But we're just going to decorate my room, get it all festive. It's gonna be so cute. I'm so excited because literally I only have a fake Christmas tree in my room right now, so I'm just ready for it to be like Christmas threw up in it. So we're gonna do that, and then me and my friend are hanging out tonight, and I might bring you guys along with me. I'm not sure what we're doing. I'm hoping we can go ice skating because I love ice skating, but I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. Just finished decorating for the holidays. I got like some festive stuff going on. I have little clips that I included in this video, but if you guys would be interested in seeing a holiday edition room tour, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Just let me know if you guys would want to see that or not, because I'd love to film it because it's so fun and so festive right now. I love the little ornaments on my Christmas tree. They're so cute and tiny and everything. But me and my friend are going ice skating. She's picking me up in a few minutes, so I'm just gonna get dressed. I'll show you guys my outfit in my big ootd mirror, but I'm super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. I absolutely love ice skating. It's like one of my favorite holiday traditions, and so I'll bring you guys along with us tonight. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so this is the outfit for tonight. I just have on this holiday sweater. I have no idea where it's from. I've had it for a few years and it's just so cute. Then I just have on my Lululemon Align pants. I seriously wear these all the time, as you guys are noticing. I just have on some J. Crew campfire socks and these super cute little mock boots from LL Bean. I think it's so cute. And my hat, my little beanie, is from Lululemon. It's perfect. It's my favorite winter hat just because it is kind of chilly out. And I just have on my Kate Spade watch, some jewelry, my everyday stuff. My nails are so chipped up, but they're painted Forever Yummy by Ezzy. And then I'm just going to throw on my black winter coat from J. Crew. This is one of my favorite coats because it's quilted, it's lightweight, definitely worth the splurge because it is a little expensive, but I wear it all throughout the winter. We are about to go ice skating. There's Maylise. She was in Vlogmas last year if you guys watched that, if you're an OG. But
keep the tradition.
Yes, we're gonna go ice skating. Much fun, and I'm super excited. I got my little beanie on. It's pretty warm, but we'll see how it goes. The little cupcakes are. That happens so much. We got our ice skates. My little mock boots. Ooh, the wind. You think they're gonna be too small? Oh my god. Oh, mine are mixed up. Are they too small? Yeah. She's coming. Hi. Woo! Nice! Skating like a champ! Rock on! Show the little area. Back to you! Ah, you look. Are your fingers like touchscreen? Oh, you got yeah, they are! Yeah, they're kind of stalled out now. One more. Got it? Oh, okay. No. Guys, we are gonna go get some hot chocolate now. It's so cold. Didn't hear about that. Here you go. Oh, awkward pulling that. Ooh, are you sitting in this one or that one? Guys, we got hot chocolates. I'm so excited. Look how cute the cups are. They're so cute. Have you not got Starbucks since December? Ooh. Some vlog footage. Okay guys, so we just left Starbucks. We got hot chocolates. What did we get? The original hot chocolate. Yes, I've never had it before. Maylise ordered. It was so good. Really recommend it. It had like cream on top. Yeah. So good. We just got like the small ones. But we are gonna head home now. It's been a lot of fun, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, hit that subscribe button down below if you guys haven't. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with my next video. Bye.